Good morning, students. Now today we will proceed with exercise 9b. Question number 1, where the informations are given that the interest is 0.24 of its principal in 3 years, and we have to find out the rate. So we will assume the principal be rupees X. So let the sum of money be rupees X. Now if we have assumed principal, that is sum of money, be rupees X, interest will be equal to 0.24 of the principal, that is X, and the time is given 3 years, and we have to find out the rate. So we can write rate is equal to interest into 100 by principal into time, where the interest is equal to 0.24, principal is rupees X, and time is 3 years. So by substituting the values, we can write it as 0.24 X into 100 by principal, that is X, into 3. Removing the decimal, we can write it as by 100, X and X cancel, 100 and 100 cancel, 3 and 8. Therefore, rate will be equal to 8%, and this will be our final answer. Let us proceed to the question number 2, where it is telling us that if rupees 3,750 amount to rupees 4,620 in 3 years at simple interest, we have to find out the rate of interest. So first of all, we have the informations in question number 2, that is principal is equal to rupees 3,750, and amount is equal to rupees 4,650. 20, and the time is 3 years. Time equal to 3 years. We have to find out the rate of interest. In this one, we can proceed with two methods. First of all, I am talking about method 1. That is, since you know amount is equal to P by 100 into 100 plus RT, where amount is given 4,620. So we will substitute that value, and we can write 4620, add the principal 3750 upon 100 into 100 plus R is not given. We have to find the rate into time, that is 3. Transposing this whole, since it is in the form of multiplication, so we can bring it on the left hand side, and we can write it as equal to 100 plus 3R. Cancelling them, we can get 5 sevens are and 5 fives are. Now 5 and 20, again 5, 4, 15. Therefore, we can write 4, 6, 2 into 4 by 15. Further, we can cancel it, and we can write it as 3 ones are 3, 15 and 4 equal to 100 plus 3R, which will become 616 by 5. Bringing 100 to left hand side, the 3R will remain on the right hand side. Taking the LCM will be 5. 616 minus 500 equal to 3R. Further, it will be 116 by 5 equal to 3R. Therefore, R is equal to 116 by 5 into 3. That is 116 by 15, which will be equal to 715 by 11%. So from here we get the first part, that is rate is equal to 116 by 15, which will be equal to 7 whole 11 by 15%. Now let us move with the method 2, where first of all we will find out the interest. So for interest we can get amount minus principal, where amount is 4620 minus 3750. Subtracting them, we will get interest 0, 7, 8, that's all. So we get interest from here 870, principal 3750, time 3 years. So we have to find out the rate. Rate is equal to I into 100 upon P into T. I we have 870 into 100 by 3750 into 3. Cancelling them, cancelling the common factors. So we can cancel it and we will get 29. Now 5 sevens are and 5. Again 15. So from here we get rate, that is R is equal to 116 by 15%, which came in the first method 2. But you can see it is very easy, it is more or less calculative, and we can proceed very directly. And further we have to convert into the mixed fraction, so we have to change it and we will write it as rate equal to 7 whole 11 by 15%. Since in the second part it is asking to find out the amount when the principal is rupees 7,500 with the same rate. So we have calculated rate equal to 116 by 15%. Therefore from there we have to find out the amount, and where the time is given 11 by 2. So we know amount is equal to P, since it is directly related with PRT. So we can use this formula, amount equal to P by 100 into 100 plus RT, and we can get the amount. So our principal is 7,500 in second subpart second. So 7,500 into 100 plus R, 116 by 15 into time, that is 11 by 2. Here it is 1. So we can write amount equal to 75 into 100 by 1 plus, we will cancel it out. So it will become 58, and further I don't think so, so it will be multiplied now. So 11 8s are 88 and 11 5s are 55 and 8 63 by 15. Again we have to take out the LCM. So LCM of 15 and 1 will be 15. That will become 1500 plus 638. 75 into 1500 plus 638, that will be 2138 by 15. Further we can cancel out and we will get final amount equal to 8 5s are 40, carry 4, 5 3s are 15 or 4, 19, carry 1, and 5 1s are 5, 6, 5 2s are 10. So our answer must be 10,690. So if the principal rate and time is given, directly we can use the formula of amount, and with that we can get the amount directly equal to rupees 10,690. Clear?